Forensic evidence is a quiet storyteller. It does not have emotions. It does not forget. It is a physical remnant of an event, a silent witness. Sometimes fragile, always tangible. It can be a single strand of hair, or a complex digital footprint on a server, a smudged print on cold glass, a microscopic fleck of paint. In court, this evidence plays a leading role. It helps judges and juries reconstruct a moment in time. Its purpose, to anchor the narrative in verifiable fact. We will follow one piece from chaos to clarity, a small, muddy footprint that will become pivotal testimony. The police arrive at the electronics store. Their first job is not finding clues. It is to control chaos and make the scene safe. They check for lingering threats and injuries. Then, they establish a bright, unmistakable boundary. Do not enter. Protect the scene from contamination. One stray footprint or touch can muddy the waters. With security in place, documentation begins. They move deliberately and note everything. Glass on the floor, overturned displays, an open register. Photos from wide to macro freeze the scene in time. A visual record for investigators and jurors. The crime scene technician arrives. Protective gear safeguards the evidence, not the wearer. They avoid leaving DNA, fibers, or prints. First, they photograph the print with a scale for size. An electrostatic lifter pulls dry dust from the surface onto film. The impression transfers in delicate detail. The print is sealed in a labeled evidence bag. Date, time, precise location, and technician's name. The chain of custody is born. From this moment, possession is tracked without gaps. Contamination, mislabeling, and misinterpretation can undermine it all. Procedure and professionalism are the safeguards. Strong process makes strong evidence in court. The sealed footprint begins its journey. Every handler is recorded, like an evidence passport. Transfers are signed, dated, and timed. Delivery to the lab clerk is logged on receipt. An intact seal is non-negotiable, assigned a case number, and stored securely. When analysis begins, custody records again. Examination proceeds. Movement remains documented. End of day, it goes back, tracked and accounted for. At trial, any gap invites doubt. An unbroken chain preempts attack. Inside the lab, a footwear analyst asks the print to speak. They begin with class characteristics, brand, style, size. Useful for narrowing, not for identification. Then, individual characteristics. Wear marks that make a shoe one of a kind. A shard can leave a distinctive cut. High-resolution imaging and overlays compare scene print to a suspect shoe. Correspondence is documented, similarities and differences. The report states methods, class traits, individual marks, and a precise conclusion. Not 100%. Standardized language expresses confidence. Careful language mirrors scientific limits. In court, the analyst becomes an expert witness. They translate technical work into plain language, step by step. Cross-examination tests methods, proficiency, and error. A credible, unbiased expert advocates for the evidence. The footprint reaches 12 citizens. They weigh it against all evidence. Secure scene, unbroken chain, sterile lab, clear testimony. A documented path that delivers reliable truth. There is no machine to decide. It is a human judgment. The verdict is the journey's final word. Forensic evidence is strongest when its story is perfectly preserved. And in court, that story must withstand every question.